How to make collage in iPhone, Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, swipe towards the right on your screen and you will be led to the story interface. Now, in order to make a collage, tap on the layout option you see there and then go ahead and select the layout of your choice. You can tap on the change grid option and you will see various options for layout. So go ahead and select your preferred option and then tap on the album icon on the bottom left of your screen and further go ahead and select the images for your collage one by one. Once you have your desired result, tap on the share option you see there, and with this, your collage will be made. So this is how you can make collage in Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.